Is your Stash account doing something a little unexpected? Maybe you're having trouble logging in, or you have a question about a transfer, or you just can't seem to find the answer in the help center. It's frustrating when you need to talk to a human and you can't find the right number. You want to get your issue resolved quickly so you can get back to growing your money. So, what's the best way to contact Stash customer support? We're going to break down your two main options for getting in touch with the Stash team, including the phone number, email address, and their current hours of operation. First up is your most direct and often quickest route, phone support. For account-specific issues, like security problems, transfer headaches, or questions about your debit card, the best thing to do is pick up the phone. The Stash customer service number is 800-205-5164. Now, listen carefully to the hours. You can reach a representative by phone Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're calling outside of those hours, you'll have to use the other method. That brings us to your second option, email support. For less urgent inquiries, general questions, or if you just prefer to communicate in writing, you can always send an email. The customer support email address is support@stash.com. The Stash team mentions that while phone support has those specific hours, you can actually send them an email anytime, 24/7. So, if it's 10 p.m. on a Saturday and you have a non-critical question, shoot them an email. Just remember that you'll only receive a reply during their normal business hours. In summary, for urgent, account-specific issues, call 800-205-5164 during their weekday hours, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. For all other questions, send an email to support@stash.com. One last tip to speed up your support experience: before you call or email, try logging into the Stash app and searching their Ask Stash Help Center. It's packed with answers to the most common questions, and you might find your solution immediately without even needing to wait for a representative. Knowing how to reach a real person is an essential part of managing your money, and now you have the direct lines to Stash support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.